I'm going to talk some smack about your mama right now, but please don't hate me for it, because this has happened to all of us. What are those things that your mom or maybe your dad or your brother or your cousins or some teacher when you were a kid, what is the garbage that they put in your head that makes you think you can't achieve great things, that you can't do the things that you want to do? I get it, our moms love us, but they also do a lot of damage up here. You need to realize this. You are capable of anything that you want to do. You can achieve any goal that you want to achieve. You just got to put your mind to it. And then secondly, you have to get rid of all of that garbage, all of that negativity that you have about yourself. Your self-belief is a huge factor in the life that you're going to have. So I want you to think about all those things that your mom put in your head that make you feel cautious, that make you feel nervous, that make you feel like you can't do it. And I want you to throw them out the window. Get rid of them. You're great. You're awesome. I believe in you. You can do this. Let's rock. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you and your mama can be more successful in business and life.